The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, who personally appeared in the court on behalf of the federal government, in his submission says the total shutdown of the country as threatened by the NLC and TUC has grievous consequences. He further argued that if the strike is allowed, it could result in what he calls fundamental damage to order and good governance of the country. The claimant also prayed the court to grant his application considering national interest rather than group interest. In his verdict, the presiding judge, Justice Babatunde Adejumo, says satisfied with the submission of the claimant, urging labor to stay action that could jeopardize the peace of the nation. The court also advised the two parties to amicably resolve the impasse in the interest of the nation. The Attorney General of the Federation was elated with the verdict.
We were surprised that when the scarcity was biting hard, there was no action taken by the labor union, and now that the scarcity is no longer there, they are embarking on strike action. So we have to come to court to seek for determination as to whether they are entitled by law to embark on strike action on a policy decision that has to do with the regulation or otherwise. No, an ex parte order is, because they are not here when the order is granted, so naturally it should have a lifespan, and the court is saying that they should come over to court within the period and place their own side of the story so that the court will now look at it to determine whether the order should be allowed to subsist or whether the order should be withdrawn within the period of 7 days. That is.
In Abuja, Ruben Okala, NT News.